decode the red file. Every line, a truth they tried to erase.
Before there were kings, empires or cities, there was only land shaped by nature. The huge Himalayas we see today were once under an ancient ocean. They began to rise when two massive land plates crashed into each other. This collision was so powerful that the mountains are still growing even today. This is where the story of the subcontinent truly begins. Hi, I am Auroosa Riaz, and today we are exploring the hidden beginnings of South Asia. Long before history was written and long before civilizations existed. Millions of years ago, the Indian subcontinent was part of a giant landmass called Gondwana. Over millions of years, it slowly drifted north and finally collided with Asia. This movement changed the earth forever. It created the Himalayas and formed great rivers like Indus and Ganges, which later became vital for human life. Much later, humans arrived. Around 70,000 BCE, early humans migrating out of Africa reached this region. Archaeologists have found ancient stone tools in Pakistan's Soan Valley, showing that some of the earliest humans outside Africa lived here. These people were hunter-gatherers. They moved from place to place, followed rivers, hunted animals, and gathered food from forests. They learned to use fire for warmth, safety, and cooking, which changed their daily lives. Along the coastlines, early groups likely exchanged shells and stones, showing the first signs of trade and social connection. These people were already learning to work together and adapt to their environment. Over time, constant movement slowly changed. Humans began to grow crops, raise animals, and build small villages. Each new tool and each planted field brought them closer to settled life. These early farming communities set the stage for something remarkable: the rise of cities. Rivers played a key role in this change. The Ghaggar-Hakra River, which is mostly dry today, once flowed strongly and supported early settlement. When the river changed course or dried up, people adapted by moving and rebuilding their lives elsewhere. Even in ancient times, humans learned to survive environmental change. And that was the beginning. Land always moving, rivers changing, and humans learning not just how to survive, but how to innovate. In the next chapter, we will see how these early communities grew into one of the world's first great urban civilizations, with cities, trade, and writing. Stay with me as we continue this journey through the deep history of the subcontinent.